Peace, love, and light, family. Esikhomesteddah Homesteading here with a, I will call this a quilt block video. All right, you guys. So, this is actually called the 3-seam 10-minute block. It is a cathedral window block. When I tell you guys, this probably was one of the most gratifying crafts that block that I ever created. I use Baktik fabrics, which were 10 by 10s, which are layer cakes. And I'll give you guys a look at what layer cakes look like in the quilting world. And you could get layer cakes and, oh my gosh, so many variety of beautiful fabrics. These are actually batiks. They're very tropical looking fabrics. Oh, when I tell you guys, I had to bring you guys just a little peek. The actual size is about 20 by 20 block. So these are excellent for pillows. So these will be pillows. And I'll promise you guys, I will get to these videos. For some reason, I still have my craft bug. And usually it kind of dies down around this time, but for some reason it is still like full throttle for me right now. Usually I'm just like crocheting right now, not even doing a lot of sewing, but for some reason I can't stop sewing. So these are the blocks that I made, and here are some more. Y'all see those beautiful colors? Batiks are so beautiful. Just beautiful. And y'all know, I told y'all before, when I learn something, I will binge on it. So don't be surprised if I have about 50 of these made by next week. I'll be probably waking up very early in the morning doing these, because when I get the itch for a craft, and if it's something that I am determined to learn, I am going to do it. And I'm going to do it until I master it. Oh my gosh. These are so beautiful. Just beautiful. And if you guys, I know we got a few quilters out there. Make sure you drop me a line. Let me know what you think of batik fabrics. I love batik fabrics. But one thing that I have learned is when you are pressing your fabrics, you cannot pull on batik. You shouldn't be pulling on any fabric that you have to press, especially if it's on a bias. You never want to stretch batik fabrics when you are pressing. So when you are pressing, you need to be doing like this. You cannot be you can't do that. It will distort the fabrics. So that's a good Essie note to take. But I had to bring you guys a little snippet of this because I look forward to bringing more sewing videos to you guys, and I am getting them ready for you guys. I promise you. I know there's I've been seeing some comments probably for the last 2 years or so. And like I said, when I started my channel a couple of years back, it wasn't even on gardening. It was actually on DIYs. And I just never got to it. But I just fell so in love with the gardening and, you know, getting my homestead ready that I kind of put a lot of my DIYs and videos to the side because I wanted to get my garden established, my garden/homestead. But you guys know, if you've been watching me for the last, I think this is my 3rd year, you guys know I'm in a good place right now. I continue to bring new things into the homestead and learn different things. But right now I'm in a good space. So that's probably why I'm still crafting, sewing, and things of that nature, because I have that time. And I'm in a good place to where I'm able to balance out the shop, the homestead, and crafting at home, and still, you know, being able to tend to home. But yeah, you guys, so these are batiks. And again, I will turn these into pillows, and I promise you guys, I will be bringing you videos on how to do all these different crafts. A lot of this stuff be looking hard, you guys, but I'll tell you what, This is not, this wouldn't be considered to be beginners friendly, but I kid you not, it is not hard at all. I promise you. There are many methods in doing cathedral windows. There's several methods, but this method is called the 3-seam 10-minute block. And I will definitely be doing more videos on how to do cathedral windows with a lot more cathedral windows in the blocks. Okay, and I'm tickled with these, you guys, because if you know anything about the quilting world, they are serious about points. And my points are not perfect, but they damn good, you guys. I got something on my hand. I was just tickled pink when you in the quilting world and your points is on point and your seams is lining up. Oh, that's big. That's real big, you guys, especially if you are like a professional quilter and you do a lot of quilt shows, quilt guilds, and you display your quilts and you trying to get that ribbon. You better have them seams lined up. Them points better be on point. Oh my gosh. So for me to do this for the first time, I think this is daggone good, you guys. Just beautiful. And again, batik fabrics. I use layer cakes. And I will show you guys again what layer cakes look like. I have a stack of these in different types of fabrics. And since I've been trying to get my craft room in order, I've been finding a lot more of my fabrics, and like I said, it's so much fabric that I have, so much yarn that I have, and I really have to get organized. I did do a little bit moving around the other day, which I am liking the way the room is coming together, but there are still some things that I need to do, but I can actually see, so that's a big plus. So I just wanted to bring you guys a little video on my newly made batik 3-seam cathedral window blocks. And again, these are about 20 by 20. So excellent pillow size. And if you make a bunch of these, you can bust out a quilt in a day. Okay? And we're going to get to that, you guys. I promise you, we're going to get to that. So I hope you guys enjoyed this video. And if you are out there in the homesteading world and you are quilting, you need to be sharing your quilting ideas and what you're working on. I'll probably start doing like a show and tell segment maybe once a week with different things that I'm working on, depending on if I'm working on anything. But yeah, that might be a good thing to do. So you guys, thank you for tuning in to Esikhomesteddah Homesteading channel. And I will see you guys on the next video. Make sure you thumbs up, like, subscribe. And don't forget, comment below if you out there in the quilting world too. All right, family? Esikhomesteddah Homesteading. See you guys on the next video. Peace.